Welcome to EWA 2024. I'm over here at the Meepo booth. Now, coincidentally, one of our writers, shout out to Eric, one of the Firearm Blog's writers was walking by. He saw these Meepo 50 cal rifles. He said, man, you guys need to come check this out at TFBTV because these are some high quality 50 BMGs. I know nothing about them. So Miroslav, why don't you tell me a little bit about your rifle system? This is yours. You're the owner of the company. You invented this, right?
Yes, we are a new company. I have idea. That is my hobby, how to make any good gun. And we have new product, one rifle with magazine rifle version and single shoot version.
Yeah, save a few bucks. Yeah, you get this one and versus the magazine fed one, which is more expensive.
Yes. We are using very expensive and very good materials for people, military quality, maybe better than military quality, and we have very good technology for making this gun and other. Our guns looks very good.
So tell me about the features here. Actually, walk me through the feature set if you don't mind. Of these,
Sure.
This is the single shot version.
This one is the single shot. You can use it for like 1 kilometer to 2 kilometers. If you're a good shooter or you have a good scope, you can use it for farther
Yes,
ranges.
I was going to say about 2.5 for me.
Sure.
No, I'm kidding.
The muzzle brake is from our company actually. We make it in Slovakia. Then here we got a barrel part. That's from Czech Republic. We actually give materials to one company in Czech Republic, and they make us this stuff.
Mm-hmm. What type of accuracy can I expect out of this barrel?
If you have precision munition, 1.5 MOA is possible.
Oh, 1 to 1.5 MOA with precision ammo?
But for example, on single shoot, only one shoot round is possible on 2 kilometers smaller than 1 MOA. Of course, then it's fun. Around 1.5 MOA is possible.
Okay, yeah, we're going to go test that out behind the convention center after this. So continuing on to the receiver, talk to me about the receiver.
So basically, this is separate parts, as you can see. Right, I can show you actually.
Locking system is with barrel, and separately is another frame. We have very big bolt, of course.
That's one huge bolt.
But better is little bigger and more safety, of course.
Yeah, bigger always better. So in any event, trigger group here. This looks like very similar to an AR-15 down here, like AR furniture.
Many parts is possible change from AR-15. Mm-hmm. This one. Trigger, we have our trigger. Now we have adjustable on 1.5 kilo, but we are preparing new trigger smaller than 1 kilo. Mm-hmm. Only for interesting, we are using options barrel from Lothar Walther, for example. If you like longer barrel, we can use Lothar Walther, good range.
And then with the magazine-fed version here, we're looking at basically the same rifle, but it accepts a magazine.
Yes. It's very same, but of course inside are any modification for magazine with different frame and some different bolt parts, but very same parts. Same.
This is a Barrett magazine, am I right?
Yes, 10 rounds Barrett magazine.
Yeah, see, that makes a lot of sense to do that. Well, Miroslav, I have to say thank you so much for giving us the walkthrough here. The pricing here. So €46.99 for the magazine-fed version, right?
Yes, but that price is only 4 days on EVA exhibition. Normal price is a little bigger.
Okay, I'll take 10. And then how much for and then €34.49 for the single-shot version?
Yes. That is same, 4 days in EVA exhibition, but normal price is around 4,000. That is normal price of magazine version is around 6,000.
Is there anything else that you would like to say to our viewers about your system here, sir?
You will have good and happy experience from our guns.
Well, you're going to have a happy experience from TFBTV Show Time if you subscribe and stay tuned to EWA 2024. Guys, thanks for checking us out. See you soon.